Hey guys, so this is a quick video for our Be Still Love Nature coloring book kit. So here is the original book. On my website you can download a PDF that gives you a downloadable printable PDF, and basically what you're going to do is you're going to have pages that look like this, okay? And it kind of gives you instructions here. You want to make sure that you're coloring with love. You're going to fold and crease at the center marks and the tab line. You're going to cut out and assemble. Really what you're going to need is a pair of scissors, a glue stick, or you can use regular glue, whatever you want. And obviously you're going to want to color it in the way that you want to color it, okay? When it comes down to folding this, basically you can do it one of two ways. You can fold it before you cut it. There's fold marks here, but I actually find it easiest to do it this way, where you're seriously just folding along the tab, okay, along the dotted line. Give it a nice sharp fold like that. And then with this area, you're just gonna literally match it up, okay? Because you're folding it in half, alrighty? So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. What you'll end up with is something that looks like this. And you can see from the previous tab, I'm gonna just put some glue on here. Right on my tab. Make sure you get it good and stuck. I'm gonna match the end up with the next page, okay? I like to kind of bump mine in a little bit closer just to cover up those dotted lines so that it looks nice. And you can see after I kind of stick it together, I've got the continuation of my book. So Be Still Love Nature was illustrated this way, where everything is sort of one panoramic view, which is pretty sweet. And this will give you the opportunity to have this. You could print this out and then color it after. You could color it first and then put it together. Whatever you want to do, that's how we're going to do it. And next I'm just going to time lapse the rest of this so that you guys can see how it all comes together completely. Okay guys, so now that the book is all assembled, and you can see here, one goes into the next throughout the whole thing. The last tab says something a little different. It says you can use this tab to attach the end back to the beginning or just cut it off. Surprise! The end actually does connect to the beginning. So if you were to attach this like this, you'll see that the illustrations match up. And the symbol behind that is really just to remember that you can always go back to nature anytime and every time you need, and it should be something that you do on a regular basis. So here is our finished, and mine's printed out on like our cardstock, and you can order these actually on my website if you want. I believe they're $5. So you can see here's our coloring book all attached, and again, if you don't want the end to connect to the beginning, you can just cut this right off. Alrighty, enjoy guys, have fun coloring and loving nature.